Hello everyone, big game out here. Got another holiday apartment tour for you. So we are in Hunstanton, staying at flat 2, number 4, St Edmund Terrace. So yeah, it's a little place I found on bookies.com. It's a pretty nice little 1-bedroom flat. We're in the middle floor. Right, let's go in, show you around. So you get your key from here. Won't give away the code, that is not that. And you go in, you've got to make sure you lock the door behind you. Greeted by these stairs. You walk up, you're on the first floor. Kaz just gone in. But yeah, there is a second set of keys if need be. You can put direct with sites holiday cottages. There's all the website. But yeah, let's go in and check it out. So here we are, just come through the door. Greeted with some nice coat hangers. We're in the summer, so we don't need a jacket. And this is quite a nice little beach house picture of the beach. So this is the hallway. We'll go down there in a second. Got a nice little cabinet here. Right, so first thing you come to is the bathroom. Now it's not the very biggest of bathrooms. Got some nice little fish decor on the wall there and shells. So behind my wash bag, we've got this nice little seagull sculpture and that. Your view out here is not great. Literally the cars and the back of the houses, so I'll keep that down. You've got your towel roll heated. Don't quite know how it works. Sand, toes and salty kisses. There you go. Sandy toes, salty kisses. Right, so starting with the toilet. You've got a nice little toilet there. Scrubbing brush and a bin. Now, like I said, this ain't the biggest of bathrooms. I'll close the door behind me. Small mirror on the wall. A little sink. Got a little toilet roll holder there. Little place to put your toothbrushes and stuff. And then this little drawer if you want to put some stuff in it. So yeah, that's that. And then you've got a shower. It's quite a decent sized shower. It's not very powerful, but does the job. You've got to put your own little bath mats down there. But yeah, they're quite high ceilings in there, really, really high. And a little hook on the back of the door, just if you wanted to hang up a dressing gown or something. So yeah, going down the hallway, got a little lamp on here. Here is your Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi included in this place. The code for it is on the back, which you've got to scan. I won't be showing that in the video. But yeah, whatever that is. We've got a little cupboard here, which is locked. That is for the owners, obviously. And when I leave, I've got to put my bedding in there. And towels, I guess. You've got a great big mirror here. Ceilings are really high, like I said. Right, here is the bedroom. So you've got a double bed in here. This is a really, really comfy bed. It's really soft. Right, so starting off here, you've got a mirror. Got a chest of drawers. Top one has a hairdryer in it. You've got a travel cart there if you've got a little one with you. Got some wardrobes. There's nothing in any of them, nothing in any of the drawers. You have got drawers under the bed as well. There's nothing in that side, but on the other side there is I think it's the quilt to go under for that cot, I believe. Not too sure. Another bedside table. Both got lamps on them. Got a nice little fan. It's quite handy actually, it's been quite hot. Little clock on the wall, as you see, we're filming this quite late, 9:05 now. It's getting dark. It's a really nice view though. Fantastic sea view to wake up to in the morning. I mean, the windows are a bit dirty, but can't really help that being by the seaside with all these seagulls here. Got these lovely little boats, I do like them. This little thing I've just been dumping with towels on it and my old clothes at the bottom. But yeah, I've got a radiator in here as well for the winter. And this lovely picture here. So yeah, and the picture above the bed is quite nice. Quite impressed with the pictures in this place. So yeah, we're going to move on now and head into the living room. Right, it's now the morning after the night before. I was too tired to tidy up this room last night, so here we are this morning. As you can see, it's not dark outside. Right, let's start around here.
Hello.
So, we've got a Kaz.
Hello.
What are you sitting on, Kaz?
I sit on a nice comfy sofa bed that pulls out. It's really cool.
Are you going to demonstrate how it pulls out?
Yeah, I think you just pull this lever onto here, don't you?
You just got to pull that out. Look,
Pull this out.
we have actually got a sofa bed. So you pull that out and it pulls up somehow.
Yeah.
And I think you just got to lift that bit up. What you just pulled out. Alright, well, that bit that you pulled out, you lift that up and it turns into a bed. You've also got this lovely picture frame up here. It's actually got like real grass or something on it.
It's like seaweed or grass.
As you can see, I put it sideways. It sticks out. It's like real grass.
Like 3D.
Even the wood sticks out as well. I really like that. Nice little clock. So yeah, this is where this bit lifts up. Oh. And down there you've got all your bedding and stuff. If you had extra people staying there. You've got a big window with a lovely sea view all the way out. Look at that. Nice view here. Especially sitting there at night, as you saw in the footage from the bedroom one when all that's lit up. But yeah, got a nice little fish lamp thing here. I think you put candles in it. Yeah. Whatever this thing is. Live well, laugh often, love much. There you go.
There's a load of wooden seagulls.
And a load of wooden seagulls. Which ain't the best place to put it because I knocked it off on the first day. Yeah. Knocked it over trying to close the curtains. But yeah, you've got nice curtains, you've got the blind. Alright, you've got a TV. It's okay, small, not the best.
It'll do though for a small apartment.
Yeah, the remote don't work very well either.
Oh.
But yeah, it's not too bad. We've got some books down here. Nothing you wanted to read, was there?
No.
And then you've got some kids' games and puzzles. I was tempted to do that. The giant garden one, the garden shed one.
Okay.
But yeah, I didn't do it in the end. Got this lovely little plant thing here. Got this little table where you could drag out and have it over in front of you. Just some information here about the apartments and stuff.
Couple of menus.
Yeah, got a menu there, a nice Indian we went to.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Got a lamp. Got some other nice artwork, like 3 bits that go together. Canvases, yeah. Got this little chair here, which also lays down. I don't think it'll be quite a bed though, it's a bit small. But maybe if you've got a kid or something. No, it does actually lay right down.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's not an ottoman.
I wasn't sure if it lifted up.
No, I pulled it out the other day and laid it down.
Okay.
So yeah, it actually lays down. So, don't know. Maybe people have been using that as the other part of this bed because they haven't realised that you could pull that bit out.
Yeah.
And a little dining table with 2 chairs. Which if you do want to use it with 2 people, you have to pull it out. Right, and that leads us through into the kitchen. So, the one thing I noticed straight away, there's a washing machine there. You don't often see any places with washing machines. Right, I'll go around here first. So, you have got a fridge freezer, and it is a full-size fridge freezer, not one of these silly little ones that you get. Got a full-size one. And I think there's 4 drawers in it. Yeah, 4 drawers for the freezer part. No ice cube maker though, I was looking for that. So you've got the ironing board and a little clothes stand. You've got an iron. Now, this is what Kaz hasn't seen yet, which I found the other day. You might want to come and look at this one, Kaz. So you've got a little brown basket here if you want to put some food in and take it out with you. But, grab that one down.
Okay, what's in this one?
Oh, you have to find out when you open it up. This is pretty cool, considering you've got the nice bit of grass right outside. No, it's full of stuff. Bring it over here. No, it's all plastic. Right. So give that a 12.
Oh, quite stiff.
Yeah, and open it up. What's all this?
Plastic flute
Open it up fully.
glasses, champagne glasses.
You open it up fully. So you've got some plates and some cups.
Plates, mugs and champagne flutes.
Champagne flutes and
Or
there's
Prosecco
cutlery down there as
flutes
well.
and cutlery.
So yeah, if you want to have a little picnic, that is ideal. Right, we'll just cut this here while I put all this back. Right, that's all put away now. Right, so starting here, you've got this top cupboard. So there's loads of glasses in there. Sadly, there's no tea and sugar or anything. You have to supply your own. They do have salt and pepper and some paprika, however you say it, up there. This is just another little storage cupboard with nothing in it. And this here. I do believe there's a chopping board up here. I can't really quite see what it is. It's probably filthy up here. Oh no, here's a chopping board. I couldn't quite reach it. Right, so you've got a microwave with me in it. Look, it's nice and shiny. Hello everyone. It's not too bad, decent size. Does the job. Right, we've got some knives and forks and stuff. Cutlery. In here, there's a couple of takeaway menus. We didn't realise these were in here at the time, that's why we've got another one of them over there. A few sharp knives. And just some tea towel. Well, no, that's more like for the dining table. A few bits there. Got an oven. Kaz is just dying at the moment. You've got some more little utensil stuff. You've got a coffee maker, espresso one, and a toaster, bread bin, kettle, boiler in the corner. In here you've got some stuff for cooking, baking trays and stuff. And then here's all your plates and bowls and some pots and pans. So, over here you've got the washing machine, like I said. Always need a washing machine. I've never used one all day, but we've got one. Lovely view overlooking some other people's back windows. This I need to put away. You've got the sink with a little sink bowl in there. And then under here, you've got some cleaning stuff. Bits of stuff there for cleaning. A nice picture on the wall. And a bin. Right, let's go sit down and I'll tell you how much I paid for this place. Also, there is a fire extinguisher here. But yeah, it's not a bad apartment. I will tell you how much I've been here 4 days now. I will tell you the total price. Right, so hopefully you can hear us. We're quite far away.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been here 4 nights.
Yeah.
5 days. We're about to check out in the next 20 minutes or so.
Yeah.
What did you think of the place?
I thought it was a really nice apartment, really clean and modern. Has everything you need in it. It's a little bit small, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It has everything you need in it, and it's quite cosy, the fact that it's quite small. So I quite liked it, yeah, I thought it was nice.
What about for the location?
Location was brilliant. I mean, we're very central. We're literally around the corner from the green area, and when the little train runs, and we're right by the sea as well.
And all the
really
shops?
Good location, and the shops and the arcades and everything, and restaurants and bars, so it was perfect location.
Yeah, and you get a parking space.
Yeah, you can get a parking space around the back of this place, so that's really good.
You're right in the town centre with a parking space.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Perfect.
I've enjoyed it. You're right opposite the Prince's Theatre. Sadly, there was nothing on this week. There's one on tonight. We're already checking out now, so
yeah,
it would have been nice to come and see a show.
Yeah. What show was on tonight? Can you remember?
I can't remember what it was. You'd have to look it up. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, for 4 nights here, I paid a grand total of £471 and 98p or so, or 96p, something like that.
Okay.
Oh, it's dropping.
Oh, God, you've got a ghost.
Didn't like us, it's dropped down.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was the total price. It's just under 120 a night, around about 118, 119 a night.
About 120 a night, yeah. That's
Yeah,
good.
it's not too bad.
Yeah.
So I've enjoyed it here.
I have as well, it's been really
So yeah,
nice.
hopefully you come and check out this St Edmund's Terrace. I will link all of the how to book it down below again through bookings.com. We've come here in the end of July, so it's school holidays, so I don't know if that's going to affect the price. But yeah,
Might do it, but
it might do. You'll have to check it out if you want to come out of school season. But yeah, I've enjoyed it. You've enjoyed
I've really
it.
enjoyed it, yeah.
So yeah, that just needs to say thank you all for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this one.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in our next little hotel review, whenever that may be.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye.